Welcome back to the Photoshop video series. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a thing which is going to be very useful for the everyone. So if you are don't aware from the Photoshop or if you are not interested in Photoshop, but after this option, after this setting, after this filter, after this effect, you are going to be a very love. You are going to love Photoshop. So in this video, we are not going to discuss about the tools or other settings. In this video, I'm going to tell you about an interesting thing. So let's start. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the color grading, that how you can color grade your picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now what we are going to do, simply you have to go to the filter, and after going to the filter, you have option which is called camera raw filter. You have to press on this. As you saw the shortcut key, if you want to use it using shortcut key, you can also do that. So we have some effects here. Here's a temperature. If you are drag this to yellow one, it will be counted into a warm, and if you move to this into blue one, and it will be counted into cool. So I'm going to make it a little bit warmer. After that, you have a tint, and I don't use the tint, I use it rarely if I need that. After that, you have exposure. You can use it like a brightness, and there's a little difference between brightness and exposure. We will talk about this in the next class. So after that, we have contrast option. If you want to make your colors darker, you can use the contrast. If you want to highlight your highlights, you can also do that. If you don't want to highlight them, you have to drag this one to here. After that, we have shadows. If you want to increase the amount of shadows, you can also do that. If you want to decrease, you have to increase the amount shadows here. If you want to decrease them, you can also do that. You have to move this here. After, as you can see, it looks like a day, and here make it here. After that, you have option like a white. If you want to increase the white color which picture have, you can also do that. If you don't want to increase, you have to move it here. So it's up to you. I'm going to move it here. After that, you have a black option. If you want to increase the black color, drag it here. You can drag it here. If you don't want to increase the black color, you have to drag here. So these are the basic settings. Like if you want to increase the texture, if you want to increase the clarity, any picture have a blur, you can clear it, dehaze, vibrance. If you want to dark the colors of the picture, you can also do that. It's up to you. Saturation, you can also, it is going to be very awful. So let it do it simple. Make it simple a little bit here. So these are the basic settings. You can use them according to your need. If you need a brightness, you have to increase the brightness. If you need a vibrance, if you need a temperature, it's up to you. That it's not necessary to apply all things on the one picture. It's up to you. It depends upon the picture need. So I hope after that you have to press the OK, and that will be picture will be looks like that. So I hope for today's class it's enough, and about other things we are going to discuss in the next class. So see you in the next video.